So both of you are gonna... So both of you are leaving me for how long?
Well, probably a week and a half. How about you, Kelsey?
I'm leaving the entire time, Boo.
I have a feeling my winter break is going to be long.
It'll be over before you know it, Margaret.
Yeah, just listen to Eve. She's always right.
We're right back to where we are now.
So both of you are leaving me for how long?
Well, probably a week and a half. How about you, Kelsey?
Oh no, I'm gonna be gone the entire time, Booze.
I have a feeling my winter break is going to be long.
It'll be over before you know it, Margaret.
Yeah, just listen to Eve. She's always right, right?
We're right back to where we are now.
Cut. So both of you are leaving me for how long?
Probably a week and a half. How about you, Kelsey?
I'm gonna be gone the entire time, Boo.
I have a feeling my winter break is going to be long.
It'll be over before you know it, Margaret.
Yeah, just listen to Eve. She's always right.
We're right back to where we are now.
Cut.
Do you think she's okay? She's not back at school and she hasn't messaged back all break.
I don't know. Maybe she's doing one of those phone detox things.
I don't know.
But look, her account is still up, but she unfollowed me.
Is that really her? Everything's changed.
I don't know. Are you busy tonight? Maybe we could just, stop by her house and see what's up.
Yeah, sounds good. I'll take some treats.
You're so cute. You're like a little mom.
Do you think she's okay? She's not at school and she hasn't messaged us back all break.
I don't know. Maybe she's doing one of those phone detox things.
I don't know.
But look, her account is still up, but she unfollowed me, see?
Is that really her? Everything's changed.
I don't know. I mean, are you busy tonight? Maybe we should just check in, go to her house and see what's up.
Well, sounds good. I'll take some treats.
You're so cute. You're like a little mom. Should I just knock or just use the doorbell?
Probably not.
Oh, hi guys.
Hey. What's going on?
Yeah, you missed school. We thought something was wrong.
Did I? Whoops. But I'm good. I think I found myself.
Oh, no, girl. You found somebody else.
Yeah, is this why you've been so distant recently?
Come in before you get eaten by mosquitoes.
Okay. Should I just knock or ring the doorbell?
Probably not.
Oh, hi guys.
Hey.
Hey. What's going on?
Yeah, you missed school. We thought something was wrong.
Did I? Whoops. But I'm okay. I think I found myself.
No, honey. I think you found somebody else.
Yeah, this isn't you. Is this why you've been so distant?
Come in before you get eaten by mosquitoes.
Okay.
Come in before you guys get eaten by mosquitoes. You know, guys, I did have a party to get to.
But you hate parties.
You know, we actually thought there was something wrong. And obviously there is.
Nothing's wrong.
What do you mean nothing's wrong? Look at you. You don't wear dresses. You don't go to parties. Like last year for your birthday, we had a sleepover.
And Eve baked me an Oreo cake.
And I brought Oreos today.
See, look, they're not going to have Oreos at the party.
You know, guys, I did have a party to get to.
But you hate parties.
You know, we actually thought there was something wrong. And obviously there is.
Nothing's wrong.
Nothing's wrong. Look at you. You hate dresses. You hate parties. Like, last year for your birthday, we threw you a sleepover.
And Eve baked me an Oreo cake.
And I brought Oreos today too.
Yeah, look, they're not going to have Oreos at the party. We thought there was something wrong, honestly, and obviously there is.
Nothing's wrong.
Nothing's wrong. Look at you. You hate dresses. You hate parties. That's why last year for your birthday, we threw a sleepover.
And Eve baked me an Oreo cake.
And I brought the Oreos too.
See? They're not going to have Oreos at the party.
This is so much better than a party.
I'm so glad you stayed, Margaret.
Yeah, but why did you want to go anyways?
I don't know. I felt like I needed to change everything about myself.
You're never gonna be content if you keep trying to be like other people.
Yeah, Eve's right. I mean, social media is great and all, but then you're going to, in a few hours, you're going to want a lip injection, a Botox, and change your hair color.
Guess I gotta cancel my hair appointment on Thursday.
Girl.
This is so much better than a party.
I'm so glad you stayed, Margaret.
Yeah, but why did you want to go in the first place?
I don't know. I felt like I needed to change everything about myself.
You're never gonna be content if you keep trying to be like other people.
Yeah, he's right. I mean, social media is great and all, but within a few hours, you're just going to want to change your hair color, want lip injections, and want a Botox.
Guess I gotta cancel my hair appointment on Thursday.
Girl.
That's a cut.